This is a demonstration on how to install the light holder on a pair of glasses and a pair of frames. This is the device that should be in your packet. If you'll place that right over the top of the centerpiece, you can tighten it up with the Allen wrench, but center it so that it's centered between the two lenses, and then tighten that in so that makes that so that that's very solid. Then you undo the initial screw on the face of that. This is the device that you have presently that's attached with, it has a clip. If you'll take out the top unit, the top Allen screw, take that completely out, then that leaves you with just the light. And if you'll take that light and place inside that connection, then place your take your Allen wrench, okay, so then that gives you the adjustment that you need. And if this one up here is loose, all you do is just tighten it the direction you want, tighten that, tighten this one, and then if you can tighten the one underneath connection with the glasses, tighten that, and that makes it so that that's much more stable. If you have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. Thank you.